In the previous video, we built our first automated extraction pipeline where we managed to upload our banking data from the source systems to the A3. So we connected our PostgreSQL banking database, extracted the customer data, convert them into packet format, and automatically upload it to our Amazon A3 data lake. We have used this extract banking CBS function to perform that action. So now what we are currently having here, we have 3 objects, or what I can call data lakes. We have the law, processed, and curated. So as I mentioned in the previous video, all these data which are not yet been cleaned or validated, we will be receiving them into this first one of the law object or data lake. So as you can see, now we have our, from this part of the path in this law zone, where we have stored here data that we get from our source systems, and this data have not yet been gone through our main transformation process. If you can see, this is the database called the banking CBS, which is this one that we have extracted from our operational source database. As you remember from our architecture, we started with preparing this perform extraction. Now we are at this stage where we have received all the data which are not yet been cleaned. We will go to the part of cleaning later in this section. Now we have all of them here. So let's go there and try to understand each and everything here. In our project, our source database is called banking CBS, which includes several parts like the customers part, the accounts, and everything. So if you expand here, you have that, you can see that we have the data set of customers, which is this one that we have here. We have also another data sets like branches, accounts, and everything, but from the function that we learned, we only send the table of customers. So that's why we only have this. If you need to run even other more, you can go ahead and modify this Python function, and remember to specify the S3 bucket, which is this one that we are using. Now the important part here is that when data reaches here, we can see that from here that we have this ingest date. Like now, every time our extraction pipeline lands, we record a date when the data entered in our data lake. So that's why we see that we are from today on 2026 August on 22nd. That is the date that we just run this pipeline. So we can go ahead. Now also we have the run ID, and if we try also to go ahead and proceed to the entire path, we can go ahead and see that from this section we have the customers.packet that we just needed. So now we are reached in the interesting part where we have all of our data in the A3. We are going to proceed with further actions, where we are going to introduce in the next part the AWS crew and do some data engineering concept on our data, so that we can have all of this architecture presented or used throughout the whole video. So we are going to introduce the next part of AWS crew, where we will go one by one so that we can understand each and every section until we reaches on our very end of the video. So kindly subscribe so that we can be having more of this kind of the data engineering contents in the future. Also, if you have any question, any comments, kindly reach out so that we can go ahead and solve this challenge that we are exploring together without facing any problem. So see you in the next part of the video.